first case history is from a replacement DC motor that had to be installed in a hurry. After startup, vibration data was taken. The motor shaft was turning at 21.9 Hertz. Placing the cursor on the first significant peak, we find a frequency of 21.93 Hertz, and we know we have found the 1 times. When we place the cursor on the 1 times peak, the analysis software identified a string of harmonics. The 2 times harmonic is at an even greater amplitude than the 1 times. This pattern could be indicative of several problems. All we know for sure is that shaft movement is excessive. Because the motor was new and had been installed in such a hurry, the analyst requested a check of coupling alignment. And this was an easy check to make. With the aid of a thermal imaging camera, it can be performed with the equipment running. Heat in the coupling very often indicates misalignment. After the coupling was aligned and the equipment restarted, every peak disappeared.